Even?
What is your name?
Barsha Talukdar. Thank you.
Barsha Talukdar. What ঘর তোমার?
Khil Pukuri.
So you're from Guwahati, right?
Yes.
Geography?
Hoy.
95% class 10ত ওপৰৰ ফালে অলপ পাৰ্চেণ্টেজটো কমি গ'ল যে কিয় দিল্লী স্কুল অফ ইকনমিক্সৰ পৰা পাছ কৰা নেকি
হয়
আচ্ছা মিৰাণ্ডা হাউচ কিলিমাঞ্জাৰো ক'ত আছে where is Kilimanjaro
Africa Kenya
why it is famous কি কাৰণে famous Kilimanjaro
the equatorial area situated kintu snowfall snow capped mountain hoy aru volcano hoy
Kilimanjaro who is Ptolemy
was a Greek philosopher and a geographer yes theodolite survey korisane theodolite survey nai kora sir
Dumpy level geography to lage is it the height of a mountain suppose you are sitting here from here you can find out the height of the this Sanmari hills etu theodolite re kore na etu pari na etu theodolite etu geography ase to tomalage kora nai neki
plumb line
survey is etu dumpy level horizontal theodolite is vertical
বস্তুটো হেৰি থাকে তাতে চাই মানে তুমি ইয়াৰ পৰা জুখিব নালাগে ওই ফিটালৈ কাৰণ তুমি মাউণ্টেনটো জুখাও দিগদাৰ হয়নে আচ্ছা where is San Andreas Fault located
it is located on the western coast of North America California
what is the length of the fault
sorry sir I cannot recall it.
106 miles.
Thank you.
Acha, the tectonic movement to ki? Tectonic movement.
Eta পৃথিৱীৰ প্লেটছৰ এটা মুভমেণ্ট হয় আমি এনেকৈ ধৰিব পাৰোঁ যে পৃথিৱীৰ খন নট মানে ল্যান্ড সাৰফেসটো ইজ ক্র্যাকড ইন বিটুইন the continents and the oceans they are divided into terms called plates and when these plates move it is called a tectonic movement
okay so what is Sahel and what is Sima
Sahel and Sima they are the two layers of earth's crust Sahel refers to silica plus alumina and Sima refers to silica and magnesium so Sahel said to be comprised it's said composed
I know okay it's okay what is magma
is a liquid hot molten mass which flows out of the earth's interior and when it comes out in the form of hot ashes lava it is known as lava
how the city of Pompeii was destructed
it was destructed by a volcanic eruption known as Mount
Vesuvius Etna anyway thank you
So what were your options in APSC
geography and sociology
yes acha do you think that ki Assam socially is backward compared to other states
No sir, I don't think Assam is socially backward as compared to other states. Every society has their positive and little negative points. So Assam is forward in many areas and as well as there are some ills. So we cannot qualify it as totally backward society.
Acha. So if let's assume that you are the chief minister of Assam, ঠিক আছে? So in this case socially কি বস্তু কৰিবা যোনটো অসমক বহুত আগবঢ়াই লৈ যাব পাৰে?
So প্ৰথমতে socially সামাজিক ব্যৱস্থাটো আগবঢ়াই লৈ যাবৰ বাবে আমি অৰ্থনৈতিকটো আগবঢ়াই লৈ যাব লাগিব সো মই প্ৰথমতে ভিত্তি কৰিম অৰ্থনৈতিক ব্যৱস্থাটো যাতে আগবঢ়াই লৈ যাব পাৰো তাৰ কাৰণে সবতকে প্ৰথমতে হ'ব যে জব ক্ৰিয়েচন চাকৰি যিমান পাৰো সিমান আৰু অকল গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট চাকৰিয়ে নহয় যেটো মানে স্কেৰচিটি কাৰণে হয় পাব্লিক প্ৰাইভেট আৰু এতিয়া যেটো ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছে ষ্টাৰ্টআপ আসাম তো হে গুটে আৰু অকল গুটে sections of society men women even teenagers যেটো এটা নিউ এডুকেশন পলিসি দিয়া হৈছে ভোকেশনাল ট্ৰেইনিং গুটেখিনিকে হাঙৰি এটা কম্প্ৰিহেনসিভ সোশিয়ালি মুভমেন্ট এটা আৰম্ভ কৰিম যাতে গুটে সমাজ ব্যৱস্থাটো আগবঢ়ি যাব পাৰে
আচ্ছা
Okay, Vaishab, since you're from geography background, growth pole, growth center, I think you know.
Yes,
What
sir.
is growth pole, what is growth center? Difference between the two?
Growth pole is growth center is the smallest center around which development occurs and as the growth pole and then there are different hierarchies so as we move higher that higher center is usually termed as growth pole.
Higher center is usually termed as growth pole. So is there any difference between activity and a place? যদি আমি ইন্ডিয়া যদি আমি লওঁ বা নৰ্থ ইষ্ট বা আসাম যদি আমি তেতিয়াহ'লে অসমৰ গ্ৰোথ চেণ্টাৰ কি হ'ব আৰু গ্ৰোথ পল কি হ'ব
গ্ৰোথ পল হ'ব গ্ৰোথ পলটো হ'ব আটাইতকৈ সৰু
Growth pole is the activity. Growth pole is the activity, which is the basic activity that country that region does. Growth center is the place. So suppose growth center jodi ami ko ki bole koi India growth center is Delhi suppose. Administrative capital, financial capital suppose Mumbai. Growth center what is leading India into that GDP growth by ebilakot. So suppose what is the major activity? So IT services. So what is the major thing that you do that the region has done? So Assam kobo gele growth pole ki hobo? What is the major activity that Assam does?
Agriculture.
Agriculture.
Yes.
We have not diversified so much to industry. A growth center.
Guwahati.
Guwahati obviously.
Thank you.
ঠিক আছে